live from Thursday, okay, Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am with
Steve Clark.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Steve is a famous musician. Okay.
It's more like infamous.
I don't know, buddy. I'd like now. How'd you find out about this clinic down here?
I saw you. You know, during the pandemic, we saw you on YouTube. One of these things, I think, right?
I know, it was cool. Yeah, we're not maskers or lockdown. And by the way, that didn't work in the first place.
That's right.
Okay, now
that's why I'm here, because you believe in that kind of thing. It's
called normal. Now, what did you? This is your first trip down to Mexico, or
no,
down to our clinic?
No. This is about our fourth or fifth. We come down to the Biodental, which is amazing. It's really great. And we're getting the drips, and all of this is because of your information.
The neat thing is, I found out about American Biodental like 25 years ago, because I was scared to death. That whole dentist thing and the drilling and I'm not a big fan. But I got to get the mercury out, and this is the only place that does it right.
Yeah.
And then the IVs too. Okay, this is kind of a cool thing. When you get dental work done, by law, they got to give you an antibiotic and pain reliever. But during the procedure, they give you a vitamin C. So you don't need to take it, but by law, you got to take it. Or they got to prescribe it. So it's cool.
Painless, and it's really good. That kind of vitamin C, what is it, 50 grams?
Yeah, 50 grams.
50 grams, that's been known to cure cancer and all kinds of things. This is a disclaimer, though. It's not for, it doesn't work for everybody, but it's amazing, and it has had great effects.
Oh, it's incredible. Yeah. Plus, when you're in a stressed state, you're not absorbing the nutrients. Oh, the blood analysis, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's really cool.
We'll do a live blood cell analysis, and then we can see if the body is getting nutrients, processing, the nutrients, so we can see if the red blood cells are healthy or sticking together. And
I saw mine. There was a few sticking together, but it's so cool to see your own blood. It's like, whoa.
Yeah, it's not like the standard, it's called a CBC, complete blood cell count. This, you can see what the cells are actually doing, what they're holding and stuff. Now, I know you brought your sweetheart down.
Yes, Tawny.
Okay, yeah. Now, what kind of stuff was she getting? I know she's getting the chiropractic.
Well, her spine looks like, the before picture of anybody, right? She's like, she comes up and goes, like this.
Oh my God, sweetest gal you've ever met. I mean, heart of gold.
And beautiful, and she's beautiful outside and inside.
Okay, he's prejudiced. It's his girl. You're gonna get this kind of time.
I am. I've had enough time. I've experienced. So.
Well, plus, hopefully, Tommy will be seeing this, and she'll be, oh my God, you're so cute. But she's just a powerhouse. She's amazing. But she's also getting the dental and the IVs and
Yeah, she needs to get her spine straightened, and we definitely believe in chiropractic, because if your nerves are pinched, you're not getting the right messages to your internal organs and things. And I had a heart attack too. That may have led 3 years ago, so that may have led to that, as you were saying.
And you got to figure, even though the medical system is looking at heart attacks from a clogged artery perspective, on autopsy, only 20% of the people that have died of heart attacks have enough clogged arteries. So it means 80% of the time it's generally neurologic in origin. So I know, and that's what we're seeing. We're seeing that a heart has two nerve supplies, one at the top of the thoracic, one at the top of the cervical spine. Now, you're doing something radical. Okay, you're taking charge of your health, which is unusual. You're not abdicating authority, but also you crossed the border.
Okay. Yeah. No, that's like for those people who are freaked out about that. Yeah, I always tell them, no, it's so simple. Of course, Siri will take you a different way, and it's a little longer, but it's not that bad. And you just drive right under the Grand Hotel.
Wait, you drove in? You didn't?
Oh, yeah.
We were picked up?
I drove in. Yeah, I know you guys can pick it up.
Okay. How do you like driving to Mexico?
Oh, well, it's freaking crazy.
I love it.
But it's fun. Yeah, it's fun.
Everyone's cutting off everyone, okay? There's only about half of the roads have signs.
Yeah.
And if they cut you off, You don't have to be a little, okay? It's like, cool, no harm, no foul.
And nobody honks.
Nobody honks.
You're just, this is what
it's totally, we're all going to one direction. You might want to get there faster than I do. It's totally cool.
It's roundabouts, so you're just, like in London, as I've been there and did that, it's like, they're crazy over there, but this is cool. We get around, we just drive right under the hotel, walk up one step, come around over to you.
Make sure if you're going to drive down here, you can't bring rental cars down. Okay, and if you do, you get Mexican insurance. Costs like $25 per day down here, and it's around $350 per year. Okay, if you come down here a whole bunch. So, but oh my God, you're the only person I've ever met that likes driving down here. Okay, we got to be related in a past life. Okay, now, but you're taking charge of your health too.
Yeah.
So what could you tell people? Because there's so many people that aren't taking charge. You know, if you've had a heart attack, if you've had some major thing.
Well, the major thing is, like, I really lost my faith in Western medicine. Okay, because they're really good with, you know, like, okay, if you have a broken bone and setting that, you know, I've had that. They did, I think, save my life. They put a couple of stents in me because I was just going out. But as far as big pharma and those things, right after my heart attack, they were giving me 5 different pills, and 2 of them were for lowering my blood pressure. And like everybody says, oh, you got the blood pressure of a 20-year-old. So I'm like, oh, okay, then why are you giving me these 2 things? You know, and I took them first, and they're making me dizzy. So I tossed them out. And then I researched the other things and found out one was Plavix, which helped keep your blood platelets from sticking together. Mm-hmm. So I took that for a year like it recommended. I did a lot of different research about it. And the other 2, they were gone. They had a lot of bad side effects and things like that. Like other things we know, right? So, and it's just like, I really don't feel they want to make you well. They just want to sell you drugs. And it's obvious with things like that. So that's why holistic health is the way. It's the right way. You let the person who made
the power that made the body heals the body.
That's right.
It does sound like a Southern Baptist.
Yeah,
but look at this, doing your own research. Okay, and blood pressure drugs, and this is what I tell people, okay, you're taking a blood pressure drug, okay, and you have dizziness and brain fog and fatigue. Now, do you think a drug that lowers blood pressure helps oxygen to brain, or do you think it slows it down? Okay, so, God bless you.
It slows it down, and I was getting dizzy, so I'm doing great now.
The fact that you're taking charge of your health, okay. Yeah. Take charge of your health, okay? Be like this guy. Enjoy driving to Mexico. No, take charge of your health.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll drive together down here. Okay, it's just
enjoy the Casa de Mole. That's what.
Casa de Mole.
I love that place.
Oh, have you been to the different restaurants around?
No, we're going to one of your favorites tonight, I think.
Okay. Lorenzo, Casa Placencia. Yeah, you're gonna love it.
Lots of great food.
Great food, great people, and real solutions. And this series is called Real People, Real Problems, Real Solutions. Honest to God, take charge of your health. God bless you.